Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today, I'm super excited to present this absolutely magnificent 1971 Datsun 240Z Series 1 with 21,743 original miles. This is one of the best known survivors to exist in the world. It possibly could be the best. I have never seen a better example personally. This is really something extremely special that I'm really excited to present. Prior to doing this video, we did a video of me sitting inside the car, a startup video, which went over a little bit of the history, so I would highly advise that you watch that video as well. This vehicle is going to be selling on Bring a Trailer, so those videos will be present within the listing of that. For the auction start dates and everything, please visit our website for all the details and make sure that you're part of the bidding, because this is a really special car that's well worth it. This car is loaded with documentation here, owner's manuals. It's got the original window sticker. It's got paperwork dating back regarding registrations, inspection forms, and so forth. All of this is obviously included with the car. Also included with the car is the tires and wheels that were ordered through the parts department for it. So we'll be listing pictures of those in our description as well. Currently on the car now are the original style wheels. We did order correct tires from Coker. They're brand spanking new. We wanted to kind of go back to the original look. So what I'm going to do with this video here is I'm going to do a presentation of the exterior, the interior, and the engine compartment. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Starting with the outside of this paint is 100% original. Think about it for a moment. How many cars out there, especially Datsuns, retain 100% of the original paint that are 50 years old? This vehicle paint it's absolutely beautiful. The body's super straight. It really doesn't have many imperfections to speak of. Again, if you follow the other video, you'll clearly understand the history of this vehicle. It was a one owner. It was always garaged. It was always maintained. It's just something that you never find. This is what car enthusiasts are always looking for, is a vehicle like this. So starting with the outside, everything on the outside is original to the car. I'll start by saying that. This is an electronic paint meter here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some areas on the car that will document the paint is original. You don't have to take my word for it. Starting with the hood here, you can see it's registering a 2.5, which is unbelievable. Again, a 2.5. I can go up here on the cowl area, 3.0. I can go on this fender, 3.5. I can go down here, 3.0. We can actually twist it to the side here, 2.5. Again, front fender, 3.0. Driver's door, 3.0. Middle of the door, 2.5. 2.5. Before I get into doing more paint testing, it still has an inspection sticker on it from 1980. It retains the original VIN tag, obviously, and this VIN tag here is in pristine condition. It looks like it's the day it came out of the factory. It's in that type of condition. Looking at the interior here, which we have tons and tons of photos within our listing. This has got to be the cleanest original interior I've ever seen in a classic car in my entire career. Words cannot describe it. We are doing a driving video following this video here. We're going to go over the interior a little bit more in detail and all the instruments and how well everything works. The most impressive part of this interior, besides the fact that it's all original and flawless, is it still has factory plastic in the interior that the original owner never took off. That is on the back panel here, the back panel on the other side. It still has plastic on portions of the seat belts, top and bottom, and it even has plastic that's behind the door panel handles here, which is absolutely amazing. So once again, everything in this interior is in excellent working order. It's all original and it's absolutely stunning. Getting into the paint meter test again here, hitting the driver's side rear quarter, we're showing a 5.0, 2.5, 3.0. These are all consistent numbers when using a paint meter. 3.0, 3.0, 3.5, 4.0, 3.0. Again, passenger rear quarter, 5.0. Same as the other side, very consistent. This is a 3.0. Before I get to the roof and the passenger door and passenger fender, I want to take notice here of this gas cap. You got to see this rubber. This is 50 years old. Look at the condition of this back here. I mean, it is just truly stunning in every sense of the word. Using the roof here, 3.0, 3.0, 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, 3.0, top of the passenger fender, 4.0, 3.0, 4.0, 3.0. I'll even hit the hood one more time, 3.0. So as you can see, it retains all the original paint. What I'm going to go ahead and do here is open up the engine compartment. So you can see this beautiful original engine bay. What I'd like to do is stand outside the car with the flip of a key, show you how unbelievable this runs. You can barely hear the engine running. It's actually running right now. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but it is absolutely magnificent how wonderful it runs. You can see original paint marks on the transmission. You can see original Cosmoline. You can see all these original parts. It is absolutely like new. It's got original stickers up on the top backside of the hood, on the radiator, firewall. Even the tag that's from the factory is so clean and so perfect, it actually looks like a reproduction tag when in sense it's brand new. And one last thing I'll show you is even the light is in working order. This is truly amazing. It's a one-of-a-kind find. It's what people like myself and car collectors dream of. Finding something that is a survivor with one ownership history, with low miles, is just amazing. We appreciate it. For a complete description with tons of photos, make sure you check it out on our website at msplasticcars.com. Thank you and good luck to the bidding.